Health benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is not just a refreshing beverage. It also offers many health benefits when consumed regularly. This simple concoction can positively impact your well-being, from aiding digestion to promoting detoxification. Let's explore the health benefits of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. One of the key benefits of lemon water is its ability to aid digestion and promote detoxification. The citric acid found in lemons can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and preventing bloating and indigestion. Lemon water also acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support kidney function. Starting your day with warm lemon water can kickstart your digestive system and promote healthy detoxification. In addition to aiding digestion, lemon water can benefit skin health and weight management. Lemon's vitamin C and antioxidants can help combat free radical damage and promote collagen production, leading to more transparent, radiant skin. The hydration provided by lemon water can also help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Regarding weight management, lemon water can help curb cravings, boost metabolism, and support healthy digestion, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet and exercise routine. Numerous scientific studies support the health benefits of lemon water. Research has shown that the antioxidants in lemons can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are linked to various chronic diseases. Studies have also demonstrated the potential of lemon water to improve digestion, support weight loss, and enhance skin health. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can harness the power of this citrus-infused elixir to support your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insights on how lemon water can transform your health from the inside out. Incorporating lemon water into your routine. Are you ready to elevate your health and wellness routine with the refreshing goodness of lemon water? This simple yet powerful elixir can be a game-changer in supporting your overall well-being. Let's explore some practical tips and strategies for seamlessly incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. Making lemon water at home is quick and easy. Start by squeezing the juice of half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice based on your taste preferences. For added flavor and benefits, consider adding a few slices of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint to your water. Experiment with variations, such as adding a dash of honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper, for a unique twist on this classic drink. To maximize the benefits of lemon water, consider drinking it at optimal times of the day. Starting your morning with a glass of warm lemon water can kickstart your metabolism, aid digestion, and hydrate your body after a night's rest. Sipping lemon water throughout the day can help keep you hydrated, curb cravings, and support healthy digestion. Enjoying a glass of lemon water before meals can also help stimulate digestion and reduce bloating. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different variations of lemon water to suit your preferences. Try infusing your water with other citrus fruits like lime or orange for a citrusy medley of flavors. Add herbs like basil or rosemary for a refreshing herbal twist. You can even mix in coconut water for added hydration benefits. The possibilities are endless, so have fun exploring different combinations to find your perfect blend of lemon water. Cheers to your health and wellness journey with the power of lemon water.